So what you're looking at here is just since 2008. You're looking at people who work and pay taxes. That's everyone between ages 15 and 64 years old who paid some employment income in a given year. And the blue lines, that's what these represent. And you can see if it's on the right-hand side, that means there was growth in employment. If it's on the left-hand side, that means it's shrinking. And it is shrinking in all of central and eastern Canada. The actual number of employed people has gone down. Down a lot, percentage-wise, in Newfoundland. I already showed you that. Nova Scotia and New Brunswick are in next in line for the amount of lost jobs. But those are small provinces, right? They're less than 1 million people live in each of them. So if you have a 6 or 7% decline, that's very bad for that province, but it's not a huge number for the whole country. But look at the lines for Ontario and Quebec. They're down about 1% or 0.5%, but they're down over nearly a 10-year period. So let me translate now into very plain English. I hope you're still watching. According to this chart, which is a Statistics Canada chart, the average paid employment growth in Ontario and Quebec is negative from 2008 to 2015. It has gone down. The number of people working has shrunk. Now, Nunavut, the Northern Territory, it's booming for jobs. It's up 12% or so. That's the biggest grower. But again, Nunavut is so tiny, the fact that it grew 12%, that doesn't really mean that much. Same thing with the Yukon. Great place. I'm just saying it's only a few tens of thousands of people up there. So the fact that they had strong employment growth, it's not significant nationally. That's an excerpt from my daily TV show, The Ezra Levant Show. Normally it's behind a paywall, but I thought you'd like this video, so we put it on YouTube. If you want to subscribe to watch the daily show every day, including always 2 interviews a day, and I read my hate mail, just click on this screen and become a premium member.